headline of this lesson is differentiation rules. Lesson 3.2. Some basic rules. If f of x equals c, constant number, then f prime of x equal 0. If f of x equal x to the n, then f prime of x equal n x to the n minus 1. If f of x equal e to the x, then f prime of x equal e to the x. If f of x equal ln x, then f prime of x equal 1 over x. If f of x equals sine x, then f prime of x equal cosine x. If f of x equal cosine x, then f prime of x equal minus sine x. If f of x equal tan x, then f prime of x equal 1 over cosine square x, or 1 plus tan square x. If we want to find the derivative of constant times a function, then this equal to the constant times the derivative of the function. The derivative of summation of two function, or difference of two function, is the derivative of the first one minus or plus the derivative of the second one. The derivative of the multiplication of two function equal to f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f prime of x. The derivative of division of two function is g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x over g of x squared. The derivative of composition function of f and g equal to f prime of g of x times g prime of x. Number 13. If f of x equal e to the g of x, then f prime of x equal g prime of x times e to the g of x. F of x equal sine g of x, then f prime of x equal g prime of x cosine g of x. If f of x equal cosine g of x, then f prime of x equal negative g prime of x sine g of x. If f of x equal tan g of x, then f prime of x equal g prime of x over tan square over cosine square x, g of x. Note 1. If f of x is even, then f prime of x is odd. If f of x is odd, then f prime is even. Note 2. F of x is increasing if and only if f prime of x greater than 0, and f of x is decreasing if and only if f prime of x is less than 0. Note 3. The graph of both f of x and f prime of x must be drawn in the same domain. Note 4. Ln a over b equal to ln a minus ln b. Ln a times b equal to ln a plus ln b. If f of x equal to ln g of x, then f prime of x equal g prime of x over g of x. Exercises of lesson 3.2. In question 1 to 11, find the derivative. Question number 1, y equal 8, then y prime equals 0. The derivative of any constant is 0. F of x equal x to the 6, then f prime of x equals 6, x to the 6 minus 1, 5. F of x equal to 1 over x to the 7. Rewrite this function as f of x equal x to the negative 7. Then f prime of x equal to negative 7x to the negative 7 minus 1 negative 8 equal to negative 7 over x to the power 8. F of x equal uh, root of order 5 to of x. Then rewrite this function as f of x equal x to the 1 over 5. Then f prime of x equal to 1 over 5 x to the 1 over 5 minus 1 negative 4 over 5. Rewrite this function, then it will be 1 over x to the 4 over 5, and you can write it in root term as 1 over root of order 5 to the x power 4. F of x equals 3x minus 1, then f prime of x equal to 3. Since the derivative of 3x is 3 and derivative of 1 is 0, f of x equal negative 2x power 2 plus 3x minus 6. Derive separately every term. Then f prime of x equal negative 4x power 1 plus 3 minus 0. F of x equal to 2x power 3 minus x squared plus 3x. Find the derivative of each term separately. 6x power 2 minus 2x plus 3. Number 8, f of theta equal pi over 2 sine theta minus cosine theta. Here the variable is theta. Then find the derivative with respect to theta. F prime of theta equal to the derivative of sine theta is cosine theta. Then pi over 2 cosine theta plus, since the derivative of cosine minus sine minus minus, it's a plus sine theta. F of x equal x power 2 minus 1 over 2 a half cosine x. Then f prime of x equal to 2x plus 1 over 2 sine x, since the derivative of cosine is negative sine. F of x equal 1 over x minus 3 sine x. Rewrite this function as f of x equal x to the negative 1 minus 3 sine x. Then the derivative is negative x to the negative 2 minus 3 cosine x. And you can rewrite it as negative 1 over x squared minus 3 cosine x. Question number 11. F of x equal 5 over 2x all power 3 plus 2 cosine x. Rewrite this function as f of x equal to 5 over 8x to the negative 3 plus 2 cosine x. Now differentiate x equal to 5 over 8 times negative 3x to the negative 4 minus 2 sine x equal to negative 15 over 8 x power 4 minus 2 sine x. In 12 to 15, complete the table. F of x, rewrite it, then differentiate the function. Rewrite it as 5 times over 2 x to the negative 2, differentiate negative 2 times 5 over 2 x to the negative 3, simplify negative with negative, negative 5 over x power 3. F of x equal pi over 3x all power 2, rewrite it as pi over 9x power 2 equal to pi over 9x to the negative 2. Then the derivative is negative 2 pi over 9x to the negative 3 equal to negative 2 pi over 9x power 3. F of x equals square root x over x equal, rewrite it as x to the 1 half times x to the negative 1 equal to x to the 1 half minus 1 x to the negative 1 half. Find the derivative, negative 1 half x to the negative 3 over 2 equal to negative 1 over 2 square root x to the power 3. F of x equal 4 over x to the negative 3. Rewrite it as 4 x power 3. The derivative is 12x squared. Question number 16 to 25. Find the derivative. F of x equal x power 2 minus 5 minus 3 x to the negative 2. The derivative of this function is 2x, negative 5 is 0, negative 3 times negative 2 plus 6x to the negative 3. If you want to rewrite it, write it as 2x plus 6 over x power 3. F of t equal t squared minus 4 over t cubed. Here the variable is t, then differentiate with respect to t. F of prime of t equal to t minus, or rewrite it as first t squared minus 4t to the negative 3, then differentiate it. It is easier. 2t plus 4 times 3, 12, t to the negative 4. Rewrite it as 2t plus 12 over t power 4. F of x equal rational function x power 3 minus 3x power 2 plus 4 over x squared. Rewrite it as f of x equal to x power 3 over x squared minus 3x power 2 over x power 2 plus 4 over x power 2. Simplify. X minus 3 plus 4x to the negative 2. Now differentiate. 1 minus 8x to the negative 3 equal to 1 minus 8 over x power 3. F of x equal x times a bracket of x power 2 plus 1. Then it is equal to x power 3 plus x. Differentiated. F prime of x equal to 3x power 2 plus 1. Question number 20. F of x equal square root x minus 6 cube root of x. Rewrite this function as x to the 1 half minus 6 x to the 1/3. Then find the derivative. F prime of x equal to half x to the negative half minus 6 over 3x to the negative 2 over 3. Simplify it as equal to 1 over 2 square root x minus 3 over 6 over 3, 2 over cube root of x squared. F of x equal f of t equal to t to the 4 over 5 minus t to the 2 over 3. Simplify it, derive it directly. 4 over 5 t to the 4 over 5 minus 1 minus 1 over 5 minus 2 over 3 2 to the 2 over 3 minus 1 minus 1 over 3. Rewrite it as 4 over 5 fifth root of t minus 2 over 3 cube root of t. Question number 22. F of x equal x power 2 plus 4 times square root x. Rewrite this function as f of x equal to x power 2 plus 4 times x to the 1 half, and open this bracket, x to the 3 over 2 x to the 1 half plus 2 3 over 2 plus 4 x to the half. Now find the derivative f prime of x equal to 3 over 2 x to the 3 over 2 minus 1 1 over 2 plus 4 times 1 half x to the 1 half minus 1 negative half equal to 3 over 2 square root x 4 over 2 2 over square root x. Question number 23. F of x equal x cubed times cosine x. Apply the derivative of multiply of two functions. X power 3 times minus sine x, the derivative of cosine, plus 3x power 2 times cosine x. You can write it as negative x power 3 sine x plus 3x power 2 cosine x. Question number 24. F of x equal x over square root x minus 1. Apply the derivative of the division of two functions, f prime of x equal to square root x minus 1 times 1 minus x times 1 over 2 square root x over square root x minus 1 power 2 equal to square root x minus 1 minus x over 2 square root x, it is square root x over 2 over square root x minus 1 power 2. We can find the common denominator for the terms in the numerator. 2 square root x minus 2 minus square root x over square root x minus 1 all power 2 equal to 2 square root x minus x square root x minus 2 over 2 square root x minus 1 all power 2. Question number 25. F of x equals sine x over x power 2. Also apply the derivative of division of two functions, x power 2 times cosine x minus sine x times 2x over x power 2 x power 4. We can simplify this as factorized by x then it will be x cosine x minus 2 sine x over x power 4. Reduce x with x power 4. It will be x cosine x minus 2 sine x over x power 3. Question number 26 to 29, complete the table. Rewrite this function, then find the derivative of it. I'll find the derivative directly. Since it is a bracket to the power 4, then find the derivative of the bracket 4 for of the bracket first. 4 times x 6x minus 5 to the power 3, 4 minus 1, times the derivative of the term inside the bracket, 6, equal to 6 times 4, 24, 6x minus 5 to the power 3. Question number 27, rewrite this function as x minus 1 to the negative 1 half, then find the derivative, equal to negative a half times x minus 1 to the negative 3 over 2. Simplify it, negative 1 over 2 square root x minus 1 power 2. Question number 28, y equal 3 tan pi x square, then y prime equal to 3 over the derivative of the angle 2 pi x over cosine square pi x square. Simplify that, 6 pi x over cosine square pi x power 2. We can also use the other derivative of the tan, which is 1 plus tan square x. First, we multiply the derivative of the angle with 3, then all times the bracket 1 plus tan square pi x square. Question number 29, y equal cosine 3x over 2, then y prime equal to negative the derivative of the angle 3 over 2 sine 3x over 2. In question 30 to 50, find the derivative. F of x equal 3 bracket to the power 4 of 4 minus 9 x. Then find the derivative directly of the bracket. 4 times 3, 12. 4 minus 9x all power 4 minus 1, 3 times the derivative of the term inside of the bracket, negative 9. Then we can rewrite it as negative 9 times 12, 108, times 4 minus 9x power 3. Question number 31, f of t equal square root of 1 minus t. This derivative is 1 over 2 square root 1 minus t. How we find this? We can rewrite the bracket as 1 minus t to the 1 half, then find the derivative 1 half to the minus t to the negative 1 half times negative 1 equal to negative 1 over 2 square root 1 minus t, negative 1. f of x equal square root x power 2 minus 3x plus 2. Rewrite this, or we can directly write the derivative of the term inside the root, 2x minus 3 over 2 square root x power 2 minus 3x plus 2. How we find that? X power 2, rewrite it as 3x plus 2 to the 1 half. Now find the derivative of the bracket. 1 half x power 2 minus 3x plus 2 to the negative 1 half times 2x minus 3. Now rewrite it as 2x minus 3 over 2 square root this term. Question number 33, f of x equal x power 2 over square root x plus 2. Apply the rule of division of two functions, f of prime of x equal to square root x plus 2 times derivative of the numerator 2x minus the numerator x power 2 times the derivative of the numerator 1 over 2 square root x plus 2 over square root x plus 2 square, it is x plus 2. Simplify this derivative, f prime of x equal to x plus 2 in the numerator, 2x times square root x plus 2 minus x plus, power 2 over 2 square root x plus 2. And now we can also simplify it as find the common denominator of the numerator, two term in the numerator, x plus 2 times 2x square root x plus 2 square root with square root, and it will be 2x times x plus 2 minus x power 2 over x plus 2. And we can open this bracket, 2x power 2 minus 4x minus x power 2 over 2 x plus 2 to the square root. X plus 2 is x plus 2 to the power half times x plus 2 to the power 1, x plus 2 to the power 3 over 2. Reduce this, 2x power 2 minus x power 2, x power 2 minus 4x over 2x plus 2 to the 3 over 2. F of x equal x times square root 1 minus x. We can rewrite this function as x times 1 minus x power 2 to the 1 half and apply the derivative of two functions. Then f prime of x equal to x times the derivative of the second term, negative 2x over 2 square root 1 minus x power 2 plus square root 1 minus x power 2 times 1. And we can simplify this as x times x, negative 2x power 2, reduce x with 2, negative x power 2 over square root 1 minus x power 2 plus square root 1 minus x power 2. We can find the common denominator and complete simplification. f of x equal square root of 1 over t square minus 2, we can rewrite this function as f of x equal 1 over square root x power t power 2 minus 2 f of t. Now we can find the derivative f prime of x. 0, the denominator times the derivative of the numerator is 0, minus 1 times the derivative of the numerator of the denominator, 2t over 2 square root t square minus 2 over t square square root t square minus 2 all power 2, it is t square minus 2 equal to negative 2t over 2 t square minus 2 to the power 3 over 2. Reduce 2 with 2, the final answer will be negative t over 2 t square minus 2 all to the power 3 over 2. See you next lesson.